A huge number of people living in the United States, including many who were born and raised here, are stuck in the same exhausting cycle. The paycheck arrives, bills get paid, a few small purchases are made, and suddenly the money is gone. Then the next 2 weeks feel like a slow countdown to the next paycheck. If you're an immigrant or someone who recently moved to the U.S., this cycle can feel even harder because you're adjusting to a new system, new rules, and often higher living costs. But here's the truth. Breaking out of the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle is not about being rich, getting lucky, or magically increasing your salary overnight. It's about changing your habits, organizing your money, and fixing small financial mistakes that have a big long-term impact. Today, I'll walk you through 10 powerful strategies that can help you finally change your financial direction. These strategies are simple, practical, and realistic for anyone living in the U.S., no matter your income level. Let's start with the first strategy, tracking your expenses. Most people don't actually know where their money goes. They know the bills they pay, but they're not aware of the small purchases that add up over time. A coffee here, a fast food meal there, a subscription you forgot about, or impulse shopping on Amazon. These small expenses can quietly eat hundreds of dollars every month. The fastest way to get control is by using a budgeting app like Mint, Monarch, Rocket Money, or EveryDollar. These apps automatically categorize every purchase you make and show you exactly where your money is going. Just 1 week of tracking can open your eyes to habits you didn't even realize you had. The second strategy is creating a simple budget. A budget is not a punishment, it's just a plan for your money. And you don't need anything complicated. A very easy method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your money goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, and 20% goes to savings or debt. Even if your percentages don't match perfectly, the idea is to give every dollar a job. Budgeting helps you stop wondering where your money went and start controlling where it goes. The third strategy is eliminating unused subscriptions. The average American pays for more than 7 subscriptions, many of which they barely use. Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, Amazon Prime, Spotify, iCloud, and other monthly services add up way faster than you realize. $10 here, $15 there, $30 somewhere else, suddenly you're spending $100 to $200 every month on subscriptions you don't need. Go through your subscriptions and cancel the ones you don't use regularly. This one step alone can free up more money than you expect. The fourth strategy is reducing credit card debt. High-interest credit card debt is one of the biggest reasons people stay stuck financially. It drains your future income and forces you to keep paying for past purchases. To get out, choose one of 2 methods, the debt snowball or the debt avalanche. The snowball method means paying off your smallest debts first to build momentum. The avalanche method means paying the highest interest debt first to save the most money. Whichever one you choose, the goal is the same. Break free from debt and stop wasting money on interest. The fifth strategy is building an emergency fund. Most Americans cannot cover a $500 emergency without borrowing money. That means one car repair, one medical bill, or one unexpected situation can throw your entire month off. The first emergency fund goal should be just $500 to $1,000. This small financial cushion protects you from stress and helps you avoid using credit cards every time life surprises you. The sixth strategy is increasing your income. You can save money only up to a certain point, but increasing income can push you forward much faster. This doesn't always mean working 2 full-time jobs. Sometimes a simple side hustle is enough. Food delivery, rideshare driving, freelance work on Upwork or Fiverr, remote part-time jobs, Amazon FBA, digital services, and even weekend shifts can add an extra $200 to $600 per month. That money can be completely dedicated to savings, debt reduction, or building financial stability. The seventh strategy is reducing impulsive spending. Many people buy things just because they want them in the moment, not because they actually need them. Stores are designed to make you spend. Apps are designed to make you buy quickly. Before every purchase, ask yourself one important question. Do I need this right now, or do I just want it? Making this one habit part of your life can save you hundreds of dollars each month. The eighth strategy is choosing the right bank. Banks in the U.S. are very different from each other. Some charge overdraft fees, some require a minimum balance, some have hidden charges, while others offer cash back rewards and completely free accounts. Switching to a better bank can save you money every single month. It only takes a few minutes to research, but can give you long-term benefits. The ninth strategy is automating your payments. When you automate your bills, you avoid late fees, protect your credit score, and reduce stress. A late payment can hurt your credit score by dozens of points, even if it's just one time. Automation saves time and keeps your financial life organized. And finally, the 10th strategy is setting financial goals. Goals guide your habits, keep you focused, and motivate you to make better decisions. Maybe your goal is to save $5,000, pay off debt, improve your credit score, buy a home, or build an emergency fund. Clear goals turn your financial life into a direction instead of a reaction. At the end of the day, breaking out of the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle is not about becoming rich instantly. It's about building better habits, step by step. Track your expenses, build a budget, cut unnecessary costs, reduce debt, increase income, and protect yourself with an emergency fund. When you combine these habits consistently, your entire financial life can change in less than a year. Financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a system, and you can start that system today.